One of the musts of weeknight cooking is that it has to come together very quickly so you don't get frustrated and order takeout. I love to do sautés and stir fries, and my shrimp and pineapple sauté slash stir fry is perfect for this. Fresh or canned pineapple over a bed of rice, grains, whatever you have on hand. Those little microwave packages are perfect for coming in quick. And whatever veg you have on hand, some carrots, some celery. I chop it off with little chopped nuts. I happen to have macadamias on hand. You don't have to use those. Peanuts are fine, but you're gonna love this. Your kids are gonna love this, and you're gonna sit down to a really great dinner in about 30 minutes. Let's get started. This stir fry is so easy. First, I'm starting with a red bell pepper and my shallot, or you can use red onion, and give it a quick saute. Then I add in some carrots and then edamame. You could also use sugar snap peas or snow peas, whatever you have on hand. Nice hum of garlic, and then I'm adding in that pineapple that is so sweet and delicious, and of course the shrimp. This is shrimp and pineapple stir fry after all. Then I'm going to season it just very lightly with salt. I add in a little chili flake, but you can leave that out if you want. And then some black and white sesame seeds. I think they look so pretty together. Adding in the cilantro and then the coconut aminos, which give this a wonderful tamari-like flavor. I serve mine over brown rice, but you can serve yours over whatever you want. I top it off with a little bit more of those sesame seeds, some cilantro, and some chopped nuts, and dig in. It's so good. And if you want more recipes like this, check out my quick chicken curry on taylorkinston.net. I'd love it if you'd like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and please turn on notifications.